Alright, for this video, I'm going to show you how to make folders in your Google Drive. So first of all, open a new tab and go to Google. Click on the letter in the corner and make sure that your name pops up. Click on Drive. Click on this little button icon and then you'll click on Drive to take you to your Google Drive. So once you're here, I'm borrowing my sister's, so nothing's really in folders. It's kind of all over the place. I want to make it a little bit more organized. So I'm going to click New and then Folder. And I want you to title your folder 2020, 2021, 8th grade year. And this is where we're going to keep all your school documents for this year. So once you have this folder made, open it by clicking on it again. Now I'm within this folder. I can tell because it says My Drive, and then I know I'm in this folder that I just made. I'm going to make a new folder for each of my classes. If you have an elective class, go ahead and make one for that as well. Okay. Now that's how you make folders, and if you want to make folders within a folder, like we just did, so I'm back to my Drive now, could click that, same thing. I have this folder we just made, and I have all these. I'm going to go inside my English folder, and this is where I'm going to show you in the next video how to copy things here and how to move documents. Go ahead and set up your folders before you move on to the next video.